Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk a little bit about reviewing for exponents. Now, with exponents, we have three things going on. We have exponential form. Shockingly enough, because it has an exponent. We have the other version, which is expanded form. Expanded form, obviously, because it's bigger. Now, that's just two of the things that we have going on. The third thing is when we begin mixing pieces, and we'll get to that in just a little bit. But exponential form has exponents in it. Now remember, this number down here is called the base. This number up here is called the exponent. Now, if you were to expand them, they're simply connected by multiplication. Now, with your multiplication in expanded or exponential form, we can make things a bit more complicated. Let's go with 4 times 4 times 4 times x times x times x times x times x. In this case, that is definitively expanded form. If we want to change it into exponential form, we would simply say, how many 4s do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. So 4 cubed. If I wanted to figure out how many x's I have, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X to the fifth. Now this only works because all of these are multiplication signs. If there were anything in here besides multiplication signs, we would not be able to put these together like this. Now, sometimes we also use verbal cues like 6 cubed. Well, 6 cubed means to the third power, so that would be 6 to the third power. Or 6 times 6 times 6. In this case, we've now added a verbal component. Verbal, exponential, and expanded. Okay, now, so I went from something that was expanded to something that was exponential. I could also do something like the following. I could go up here and say, what if I have 6 to the third power x squared y to the fifth? Well, that would be written as 6, 6, 6, x, x, because I have 3 and then 2 and then y, 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 y. And there's 5 of them, so I've expanded it now. So, being able to go from expanded to exponential and exponential to expanded is very important for what we're trying to accomplish.